Alright, I've mixed it up. We're gonna bring this to a beautiful boil, cover it, and then simmer it low and slow for several hours so it all gets nice and stewed and the farro can open up. Alright, I added in some paprika because I really like the way paprika adds flavor and color to stews and chilies and whatnot. Gonna put some water here and then fill it up. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for some hours. This parsley smells wonderful after you've sliced it up. It's very fragrant, very lovely. Okay, fresh parsley. I wanted to do curly parsley instead of Italian this time. I wanted to include more fresh herbs in some stews instead of like dried mints, so it can have more of a robust flavor. It looks really good. We'll rinse this and then mince it. We have some wonderful good looking okra, not bruised. Sometimes in the markets they're a little bit too bruised. So we're gonna rinse these up, chop them, put them into the bowl. Okay, we're gonna wash these up and then take off the little green stems. They're still connected to the vine, and then put them into the pot. Farro is rinsed. We're going to put it into the pot now. Okay, the soup turned out absolutely beautiful. Low and slow, and I like how the paprika added the extra color we wanted. The tomatoes stewed really well. The okra is a wonderful thickener. The farro opened up real nice, and the parsley has broken down and really added an herbalness to the soup that I find to be quite beneficial. Hopefully you can try a soup similar. It's light, healthy, hearty, and delicious.